How can I group by and sum a column in Excel? I'm trying to figure out how to group by values in an Excel spreadsheet. Given the following example, this is an inventory sheet I use at my restaurant. At the far right of the spreadsheet, there is a column named Cost of Goods Sold. I would like to be able to come up with a total COGS figure for each category. Is this possible in Excel? Moreover, I'd like to do it in a separate worksheet so that the first worksheet, what is pictured, isn't affected. Any ideas? Thanks.
The feature you want to use is pivot tables. It's really easy to do exactly what you want with just a few clicks once you learn how to use that feature.
You can also do this with the subtotal feature. Click the Data tab in Excel's ribbon toolbar. Click the Sort button and sort by your category column. Click the Subtotal button and fill in the dialog as appropriate, then click OK. For example, at each change in category, use function sum. Add subtotal to cost of goods sold.
To do this with a pivot table, select all the data, including the column labels. Insert is greater than pivot table. Drag a field into a dimension, row or column, of the pivot table to group by it. Drag a field into the values area to calculate a metric about it, in this case, sum.
I am assuming that you are looking for the total COGS for an account like grocery, for instance, for week 1. Sum if is the easiest way to come up with that data. Example taken from your picture. I have placed the question marks since I cannot see the whole sheet. You would select the entire column D where you have account data. D2 through D. Same with weekly usage column J2 through J. The formula will look in the D column for the text grocery. If it is present, it will add the cells in column J that correspond with D columns that have the word grocery in it, or whatever text you put in the formula for it to look for.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.